Today we're talking about V-mount batteries, and this is the new SmallRig X99 V-mount battery. This is basically the rugged version of the VB99 series, and to put it simply, the VB99 is the base model, the VB99 Pro is the mid-tier model, and this is the new top-of-the-line rugged V-mount battery from SmallRig. I've bought a few SmallRig VB99s in the past few years, mostly from Black Friday sales, and they've been reliable in my video productions. But the new X99 is next level with features built for your toughest filming scenarios. This video is sponsored by SmallRig, and it's a product showcase of the X99 rugged V-mount battery. So this battery is made in collaboration with Renan Ozturk, an amazing filmmaker and mountain climber who works with Nat Geo, the North Face, and Sony, and goes on incredible expeditions. And I think this year he's going on expeditions with the Sony Burano, like mountain climbing, ice climbing with the Sony Burano and the SmallRig X99. And this is why this V-mount is rugged, because they designed it so that it can perform in the wildest filming conditions. Now, this isn't your average V-mount battery showcase, because I got the green light to test it to its limits. Drop proof over 1.5 meters. So this was the damage on the second drop. What about, is it waterproof? Moment of truth. Okay. Let's take it out. Currently it's super wet. We're basically trying to see, oh, it's still working. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna check if it's actually dry. That inside is completely dry. Yeah, I mean, it's on the sides, but the weatherproofing is working. You see that right there? That means that it's protecting it on the side. And moment of truth, this one, I'm just gonna wipe it down so that it doesn't really put a lot of, more chances of it going in. So I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna open it, see if the port is dry. Ports are dry. This is kind of like how, when we opened it, it's sprinkled in. But the rest, pretty good. Dust proof? Meow, 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 Great. Now, all of these are obviously when the ports are covered, and that's when you get the full ruggedness of this battery. And this applies when you're using the battery and powering everything from a power plate or directly to the camera itself. This battery is also smarter than the previous generations because it manages the port load and ensures priority charging so you can power what's most important in the field, your cameras, so that you can get your shots. Now, if you don't have a power plate, you can still power everything directly through this battery. It has all the ports you need for a cinema rig. You've got 2 DTAP ports on each side. You've got 2 USB-C PDs on the top, which is 100 watts. And then 1 BB port, which is actually the bottom of the V-mount, this one right here. and USB-C if you're still old school, and then 2 DC ports for accessories. In theory, this battery should be built and can withstand winter outdoors. Now, it's still summer in Canada, so I can't test the -10°C low temperature charging outdoors. Okay, so we have a freezer here that's -18°, and currently this is at 20°C inside internally, and we're gonna try and see if it charges. So we're gonna put it in here, 20 degrees for a bit, and see if it survives. Okay, here we go. We've got -10 degrees. Let's see if it'll power the thing. Okay, it's powering everything. Right now it's at -9. So let's see how this goes. Now, if it's hot out or the power load is high, this has circuit protection and active cooling, so you know it's reliable no matter what filming conditions you're in. So how fast does it charge? This actually comes with a USB-C cable included in the box, and 0 to 100% in just 2 hours. Now, how long does it power my Blackmagic Pixis rig? Around 2 to 3 hours with a mix of filming and standby. This rugged V-mount also has an anti-glare 2-inch touchscreen, which they say, or SmallRig claims, is bright enough to read on a sunny day. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass and making it less prone to cracking or scratching. Now, the touchscreen shows you everything you need: the temperature, how hot or how cold it's running, remaining battery percentage it's a given, total and individual port wattage, and approximate time left with your current rig. You can also adjust the screen brightness to save battery, especially at night, and right below that setting, a small flashlight. Now, this is perfect for outdoor shoots, specifically outdoor night shoots. When you're packing up, you usually need work lights or a headlamp, but this little light comes in handy. It even shows your hardware and software versions, and most importantly, it displays how many cycles the battery has gone through. And that's huge for me because I once sold a battery and had to just guess when the buyer had asked me how much it has been used. Now, with this battery, I can literally show that number, and now we can know if the battery is lightly used or abused. It's also a good metric to see if you need to buy newer batteries and if it's almost at the end of its life cycle. Now, I asked SmallRig what the typical cycle count is before the X99 stops working, and they haven't really tested it all the way through, but they guarantee above 80% battery capacity after 400 cycles, and that's plenty enough. So only time will tell, but based on my experience with the previous VB99s I've bought over the years, which have been flawless by the way, I trust that this new product is extremely reliable with both software and physical upgrades. Honestly, I am impressed with this upgrade. If I do another travel gig that needs a full rig, this is the first battery I'm bringing. You can fly with it since it's only 99 watt-hour capacity, which is pretty big by the way. So you can bring a few on the plane and you know that they'll survive whatever climate you shoot in. It's rugged, it's reliable, and ready for any production or travel jobs you take on. If you want to check it out, the link is down below. SmallRig has all the info you need on their website about this new X99 V-mount battery. Now, if you have any questions about this product, let me know in the comments down below. And if you like my colors and you want to make your edits feel like a memory, the links are in the description. But until then, I will see you in the next video.